Hi, didn't see you there. Welcome to Nicole's Grips. Come on in.
Well, technically, it's Grech's 2026 Terreno-Ion, but come on, look at this thing. It's basically a mansion on wheels, and because I'm a professional RV reviewer, I'm actually taking this house for a spin later on this video, so you'll definitely want to stick around to see my thoughts, and if I even survive my first big rig test drive. But first, let's check out the interior. Come on in, take your shoes off. Actually, you don't have to, because this vinyl woven flooring is tougher than it looks. Check out the aesthetics. We've got European veneers and hardwood cabinets with these sleek curved doors. They're designed to be totally seamless because in a crib this nice, we don't do sharp edges. Plus, there's ample storage to hide away all your gear or just your snack hoard so the vibes stay clean and clutter-free. And this is where the magic happens and where I get my beauty sleep. It's got a memory foam power sofa that turns into a bed at just the touch of a button.
Short people approved.
And these shades, auto motion power shades. Privacy on demand, baby. If I want to ignore the world like my introvert self does, all you gotta do is hit a switch. Now, even though my ideal Friday night is me, a book, and zero human contact, I saw the LED accent lighting in this Terreno, and suddenly I'm a party nightlife girl. It's like a high fashion runway from the kitchen straight to the bedroom. I'm telling you, even if you're a homebody, these sexy lights will have you feeling like you're on a world tour. Okay, now let's talk about where the real magic happens, the galley. The galley is tighter than a celebrity guest list. You've got a solid surface countertop with a farmhouse-style sink because even in the woods, the Terreno-Ion is still providing modern luxury chic. You've got a 2-burner induction cooktop and this microwave convection air fryer combo. It's basically a culinary cheat code. I can air fry wings while boondocking. Say yes, queen. And yes, that's an Apple TV right next to the fridge so you can stream your favorite comfort shows while the refrigerator freezer combo keeps your drinks red carpet cold. Now, this is the powder room. It's a private enclosed bathroom with your own porcelain throne. No plastic here, honey. It's even got a window with a privacy shade so I can check the view while I'm getting ready for my close-up and using the commode. In fact, there are multiple mirrors to make sure you're looking good while writing in style. And I can't forget the handheld shower head to make sure I don't miss a spot. This bathroom is compact, it's clean, and it's way more glamorous than any gas station bathroom I've ever seen. All right, let's now step outside because we need to talk about this fit. The Terreno-Ion comes in 3 colorways, but personally, this Tenorite Gray is my favorite. She is so pretty. It's giving moody, it's giving expensive, it's giving luxury in motion, which is Grech's motto after all. The custom fiberglass body kit makes this van look like it's moving even when you're just parked at a trailhead. And you gotta check the strip. The power entry strip basically feels like you're stepping onto the red carpet every time you open the door. And when the sun's too much, all you gotta do is hit a button and the power awning with LED lighting creates an instant VIP lounge. But the real secret, the roof. This isn't just a van, it's a Grech power station. With its lithium-ion system, you can run your AC for up to 14 hours straight without a noisy generator ruining the vibes. I can stay ice cold in the desert while my phone also stays at 100%. That's not roughing it, that's just living my best life. But you can't just look at a crib like this. You gotta test drive it. See if she's putting that money where her mouth is. Let's go.
The goal today is simple. Bring this beauty back in one piece. Now, me, on the other hand, that's a completely different story. I like small cars. I have a Chevy Spark at home, so I've never test driven anything this big. So we gotta bring it back in one piece because these here girls don't have the money to pay for this. I don't know who at RV Trader cleared this. That's my boss, by the way, but she has a lot of faith in me that I don't have. So let's see if I can do that.
I'm the designated passenger princess in my friend group, but then I climbed into this cockpit, turned up the premium sound system, and honestly, I felt like I was in Fast and Furious RV Edition. Vin Diesel would be so proud because this thing has a 4-cylinder high-output diesel engine with a whole lot of horsepower. It's built on the Mercedes chassis, so it actually picks up and moves. Plus, it has this fancy air suspension that makes the road feel like a cloud. So even if the road gets a little bumpy, my iced coffee stays right where it belongs. I went from panicked to pro in under 5 minutes. She drives smooth, fast, and for a second there, I forgot I was driving a literal house. It's rugged enough for the mountains, but classy enough for the valet. Honestly, I might not give the keys back. 10 out of 10, highly recommend, even if you're a nervous driver like me. So why settle for a hotel when you can take the 5-star suite with you on the road? Luxury on the outside, party on the inside. I'm Nicole with RV Trader, and I'll catch you at the next stop.